Okay, it's the 31st of January, and this is the 31st swim of the month. Let's see if we can get all 5K in. Yeah. Okay, 1K done. Should put me at about an hour and 40 minutes, maybe an hour. I'm gonna try for 7. We'll see how this works. Alright, 6. Just a little bit slower, I think. Only one more to go, right? Okay, hi. That's 7,000. That one was 21:54, so a little faster than the last 3.